Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to convert minutes to hours in Excel. Are you tired of manually calculating how many hours are in a certain number of minutes? Excel can do it for you automatically. It's super simple, and I'm going to show you a couple of quick and easy methods to do it. Before we dive in, if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Rome Tips for more Excel tips and tricks. It really helps the channel grow. Okay, so what we're going to cover is, first, converting minutes to hours using basic math formulas, and then we'll explore using Excel's built-in time functions to achieve the same results. Let's get started. Visual, show Excel spreadsheet with a column labeled minutes, and another labeled hours formula. Okay, here we have a column with minutes, and we want to convert those to hours. The simplest way is using a basic math formula. Visual. Click on the first empty cell in the hours formula column. In this cell, type an equal sign, equal symbol, to start a formula. Now, click on the cell containing the number of minutes you want to convert. Visual. Click on the first cell in the minutes column. You should now see the cell reference in your formula. Now, divide that cell reference by 60. Why 60? Because there are 60 minutes in an hour. Visual. Type /60. After the cell reference in the formula bar. Show the full formula, equals A2/60, ***. So your formula should look something like equals A2/60. Now, press enter. Visual, press enter. The calculated hour value should appear in the cell, ***. Voila! Excel has calculated the number of hours. Now to apply this formula to the rest of your data, just click and drag the little square at the bottom right corner of the cell down the column. Visual, click and drag the fill handle down the column to copy the formula to other cells. And there you have it. Excel has automatically calculated the hours for each entry. Visual, show a new column labeled Hours, Time Format. Now, let's look at another method using Excel's time formatting. This method is useful if you also want to display the remaining minutes as part of the hour value. Visual. Click on the first empty cell in the Hours, Time Format column. Again, we'll start with an equal sign. This time, we'll use the time function. Type equals time, 0. Visual, type equals time, 0, into the formula bar. Now, click on the cell containing the number of minutes. Visual, click on the first cell in the minutes column. Then, close the parenthesis and divide the whole thing by 60. Finally, finish the time function by adding 0 after the minutes. Visual, type the full formula equals time, 0, A20. The full formula should look something like equals time, 0, A20. Press enter. Visual, press enter. A number may appear in the cell, or a date. Don't worry. You might see a number or a date. Don't worry. This is because the cell format isn't set to display time. We need to change the format. Right-click on the cell. Visual, right-click on the cell and select Format Cells. Select Format Cells. Visual, the Format Cells dialog box appears. In the Format Cells dialog box, go to the Number tab, and then select Time from the category list. Visual, select Number tab and Time category in the Format Cells dialog box. Choose a time format that shows hours and minutes, for example, 1:30 p.m. Choose a time format that suits your needs. A simple format like HMM will just show the hours and minutes. Select that and click OK. Visual, click OK in the Format Cells dialog box. Now you should see the minutes converted to hours and minutes. Like before, drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to the rest of the data. Visual, click and drag the fill handle down the column to copy the formula and formatting to other cells. And that's it. You've successfully converted minutes to hours using both formulas and time formatting in Excel. So there you have it. 2 easy ways to convert minutes to hours in Excel. Which method you use depends on your specific needs. The simple formula is great for just getting the hour value, while the time formatting is useful for displaying hours and minutes. Hopefully, you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Rome Tips for more Excel tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or other Excel topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching.